Well, here we are again with another unboxing video. I'm Chris, and I'm wondering what's in these boxes.
What's in the box? Oh, what's in the box?
All right, the first box we have here is a perishable item, or items. Let's find out what's inside. We have all kinds of Miyoko's cheese, mozzarella. This is by far my favorite vegan cheese to put on pizzas and lasagna and stuff that calls for mozzarella. You can eat it just like this too. It's super good. And then also, I got some vegan butter. This is super good also. You've seen my recipe videos, or if you haven't, check those out. And I used this in several of my recent videos. Actually, the dough that I used to make these pizza swirls, bam, use this. Usually I'll make pizza with the mozzarella, so Miyoko sent me these so I can make some more videos for you guys. Thank you, Miyoko. If you guys want to check out her products and you can't find them where you live, you can order them online, and if you use my promo code below, you can save a little bit of money when you place an order, so check that out. All right, the next package is from Mark Skid. Share a picture of you making your mark on the world. Made my mark. And it's got a little comic on the back too. The Mark story. So let's open this up. Okay. Okay, so these are vegan friendly underwear. Now they're not just vegan friendly, they're eco friendly. So I believe that the elastic from this is made from recycled materials, so bottles don't go into the environment. When you buy a pair of these underwear, which they feel really nice, I can already tell these are going to fit very nicely. I don't know if I should try them on for you guys. I'll do that another time. For every pair that is purchased, $4 goes to a good cause, and they have several different causes you can choose from when you place your order. If I remember correctly, I think there's an eco-friendly one where you can, like, water conservation, and then there's one where you can feed the hungry, and then there's also, I believe, cancer research or disease, something like that, so you can find your cause that you want to benefit when you place your order. And they have several different colors and different styles of underwear, and if it's all made like this, then I'm already going to tell you that it's very comfortable material. Again, it's eco-friendly, so it's a good cause, so go check that out. It's from Mark Skid. And again, with my unboxing videos, I link everything below if you want to go check that out. So thank you for those. The next package is an envelope. Okay, so we're going to open this up. What do we have here? Ooh, we have a hat. A beanie. Arthur's Acres Animal Sanctuary. Oh, that's a cool hat. Check that out. So this is from an animal sanctuary. I gotta take the bun out. How's it look? I can already tell it's gonna keep me warm. Arthur's Acres Animal Sanctuary. And this is in Parksville, New York. And there's a little magnet, stop eating animals. Arthur's Acres. You know what? I'm gonna put that right on my refrigerator. Boom, right there. So Arthur's Acres, thank you guys. And if any of you watching at home are ever in the area of Parksville, New York, go check them out. Next package here. Let's get right in there. Okay. Ooh, we have a hoodie. Just in time to keep me warm. The hat and the hoodie. 22-day nutrition. Look at that. This is my favorite protein power and bars. Let me show you. We have the 22-day nutrition protein powder. For those of you that are just joining, this is my favorite protein powder. I use it just about every day, and not only in my smoothies, but sometimes if I make waffles or pancakes or something like that, I'll put it in there as well. Very, very clean ingredients. There's only like 4 ingredients in here, and it's organic pea protein, flaxseed, vanilla, sacha inchi, which is really good, and organic stevia. Now, I don't usually like things that have stevia in it, but I can't even taste it in this. So if you guys are looking for something, I don't feel bloated when I drink this, and it's a great flavor. Now, I don't take protein powders for the protein because I know that everything else I'm eating has all the protein, but this has so many other good things in it for you, your omegas, and just it gives it a great taste. So I like it a lot. And they also have chocolate, and up here I have strawberry. So, and then their protein bars, they have 4 flavors of these, and this is their fudge brownie. So I will link them below. I have seen these before at Target and also Wegmans, so check it out. I love this hoodie. And here's what the back says. Clean, simple, complete. And then of course the front, 22-day nutrition. And if you're wondering why 22-day, why not 21-day? Well, it generally takes about 21 days to kick a habit, to break a habit. And on the 22nd day, you're starting new. So that's the whole basis behind the 22-day nutrition. Let's do this long one right here. I know what this is right here. I just want to open it. I actually ordered this. This wasn't. I want to open it and talk about it. You guys know me. I am a huge, long-time skateboarder. And I took advantage of the Black Friday sale at Street Plant, which is owned by Mike Vallely. And I ordered the Barnyard. He signs each one, and this is the new Barnyard version. He sent me the other one a couple years ago, which I still have. He signed it up here too. So Mike Vallely, and kind of the inspiration. Mike is a vegan, so I have actually been following Mike as a skateboarder since I was like 13 or 14 years old. And it says, "Hello Chris, much love from Garageland. Thanks for your support. Happy holidays, Mike Vallely." The sale on Black Friday was you buy one board, you get a board free. And my brother is also a skateboarder, so we took advantage of that. We split the cost, and we got these 2 skateboards. So I'm actually going to give him this Barnyard because I already have the original Barnyard. And I'm going to take this one. This one was picked by Mike. This is the Let's Go Street Plant, and it's got a bunch of samurai, and it looks like maybe even ninja right here. I'll probably take it out of here, show you guys. And I probably won't skate these. I'm probably just going to keep them. I skate a little bit of a thinner board anyway, but it's really cool to have these and have it signed by Mike. So that's really cool. So Street Plant, Mike V, vegan skateboarder. All right, it looks like we're on to our last package, and it's a heavy one. That's okay, that never stopped us in the past. Okay, this is from Edward & Sons. Okay, so I know the owner of Edward & Sons because just from going to Expo every year, I see her there every year, and she sent me a care package, and I'm probably going to come up with some more recipes. I'm going to do some recipe testing here. Edward & Sons, they make so many and distribute so many all vegan products. The big one that they have is the vegan Worcestershire sauce, and by Wizard. Ooh, these are so good. These are some of their new hazelnut chocolate rods, you know. And then the other ones are cocoa. Same thing, but cocoa rods. I tried these at Expo. They're really good. I mean, they're kind of addicting. And then their panko organic breadcrumbs, Italian herb, and the Japanese style breadcrumbs. I know they have these at Wegmans near me. Let's see what else they have. Oh, and their gravies. These are all very easy to make. You just add like a cup of water over some hot water, and you stir it for about a minute, and you got yourself delicious vegan gravy. You know, we have this one is the delicious golden, the savory herb, the shiitake mushroom, and also I'm excited about these. This is a cheddar style cheese sauce mix. They call it Crease, and if you've had their Rhodes End mac and cheese, it comes with, so these are just straight up packages of cheese mix. And it's just a bunch, it's just like a powdered mix. You just add a little bit of vegan milk to it, stir it up, and you got yourself a nutritious yet delicious cheese sauce. And I was just talking about this, I didn't even see these in here, but these are their mac and cheeses that I was just talking about, the cheesy sauce. And John and I did a vegan mac and cheese taste test earlier this year, way earlier this year, or maybe it was last year. Anyway, this is still our favorite. And it's kind of like a taste that you would acquire, that you would get used to. But we're longtime vegans. We've been vegan for well over 20 years. And this is the stuff that was around the longest. So I really like it. And they also have a couple more, which is the cheddar style and the Alfredo style. So there we go. And this is kind of more like, almost like a nutritional yeasty sauce, and it's good. Organic arrowroot starch, so some baking experiments in the kitchen. And then we have some organic baby corn pieces. And then the other one is the organic jackfruit. So jackfruit is very versatile. You can make all kinds of different things with jackfruit. Mainly the pulled porks and the sliders and stuff like that. Some roasted garlic and organic mashed taters. We can use these, which are instant, with the gravy. And you got a meal in, like, I don't know, as long as it takes you to boil water. And then the organic young jackfruit meatless alternative in a box. The unseasoned shredded and the unseasoned pieces. So you basically season these however you want. You could make them into, like, I don't know, like a teriyaki stir fry, or maybe run a barbecue burger or barbecue jackfruit, something like that. Because it says fragile. So this is a box within a box. That's like an Inception, what's in the box. Okay, they're bouillons, the not chicken cubes and the not beef cubes. These are vegan bouillon cubes for your soups, ramen noodles, whatever. I use them every once in a while. They're pretty good. And then we have water chestnuts. I don't know about you guys, but I don't like chestnuts. They're like, you're eating something that doesn't taste like anything, but a lot of dishes call for them. So maybe I'll just give this to somebody that would use those. And then the next one is followed by something that I love. Organic 100% mango. Who doesn't love mango? You know, a good ripe mango is probably one of my favorite fruits. Okay, and then sprinkles, confetti sprinkles. Vegan sprinkles, you don't have to worry about where the confectioner's glaze is coming from or where your red coloring is coming from. It's all natural, it's all organic and gluten-free, vegan. Yum. It's right around that time of year to make cookies with sprinkles. So, hoisin sauce, gluten-free hoisin sauce, organic, gluten-free teriyaki. So you could totally make that jackfruit with some of these. And then the very last thing here is baby artichoke hearts, and that is it. So thank you, Edward and Sons. I will be testing some things in the kitchen. And for those of you that want to send me something, make sure it's vegan. And the address is below. And for everything that I've listed today will be in the description below. So if you like this video, give me that thumbs up and make sure your notifications are on. Don't forget to subscribe. Survive. Watch out for zombies. And I'll see you guys in the next video.